Most people think design is about making things look good. It's not. Design is about solving problems. It's about asking better questions and creating answers the world hasn't seen yet. At the Global Summer School 2026, you don't just learn design, you live it. You'll experiment, you'll build, you'll fail and learn very fast. You'll work like real designers, turning ideas into concepts and concepts into creations. In just 1 week, you won't just learn skills, you'll gain clarity.
By joining the hospitality and culinary domain, you will get hands-on experience in culinary arts, bakery, food production. You will also take part in interactive cooking techniques, fine dining plating, cake decorations, in different type of kitchen activities, interactive cooking sessions, restaurant service, and whatnot.
Welcome to Mediaverse, a premier cohort of the Global Summer School Program 2026. For Junior Mediaverses, you will be diving deep into magazine creation, where you will master skills like editing, designing, and writing. You will be using your own software like Adobe and create your own magazine. Now for our Senior Mediaverses, you will be diving into the world of content creation. Think SEO masterclasses, pitching, and also a final launch party where you will showcase your masterclass to the world.
Hello Future Lawyers will involve you in activities like moot court, mock parliaments, crime scene investigation, and the application of artificial intelligence and law. So get a glimpse of the legal world and legal education and join us at the campus.
In this summer camp, you will be working on various projects. You will be taking on AI, drones, hardware, handling machines like laser cutters, 3D printers. And the best part is that everything will revolve around a problem which you are going to solve with the help of technology. And this is what this Global Summer School is going to bring. It's the problem-solving capability that we want to develop, and with the help of technology, we are going to provide solutions to the real-world problems.
Psychology is a discipline that helps you understand the choices that you make. These decisions that you take are influenced by our unconscious and the culture that we come from. We help students understand these and understand the theories that go behind it through an experience that is collages, DMT, clay therapy, dreams that you see in the night when you go off to sleep. Hope you join us and we'll take you through that journey by experiencing each of these elements during this 1 week with us. Hoping to see you soon.
Let's experience the world of simulation in this entrepreneurship module, where you will get to do your business the way you want to. You'll step into roles, you'll make your decisions, and most importantly, you'll see how your choices impact everything. The whole concept of this module is to make it as experiential as possible.